It came out so cute. Let's make a floral arrangement. So this is the flower arrangement that I made for Super Bowl. It was really cute. I'm gonna show you a picture of what it looked like when it was alive. I tried to make the best of this arrangement and let it last for as long as I could, but it's about that time to let it go. I'm kind of sad because it was so cute, but we're gonna make a new one. It's going to be an Easter floral arrangement. So out with the old, in with the new. Got that. I'm gonna get rid of this. Like I'm not gonna clean that up later. And all I have to do now is remove this tape. This is electric tape from this vase. I thought this was such a cute idea for this referee. I haven't seen it anywhere. I just kind of thought of it. So that was super cute. We're just removing the electric tape from here. Like that, like so, as Auntie Tab would say. And this is what we got. I love electrical tape because it doesn't ruin what you're doing. So I got this. I'm going to wash my two vases and I'm gonna do something similar. So to be completely honest and transparent, I don't know what I'm gonna do with this floral arrangement. I have an idea and I have some supplies, so just bear with me and we gonna make some magic together. Super clean. Let me show you what I got. I have this bag of just random stuff from holidays. It just gets bigger and bigger and bigger. This bag is going to be humongous. I'm gonna have to transfer it because it's just random stuff from different holidays, like Halloween. I got eyeballs. Why? I don't know, but I'm gonna do something with them. Like gingerbread, cookie stuff. I have this for Easter. I was gonna do something with this last year, the peeps, but I didn't, so I just kept them. And I think I'm gonna use these for the floral arrangement. I just have like a whole bunch of random holiday stuff in here. And I love this little bag. It comes in handy. These are things I got from the Dollar Tree and Walmart. I got these lights. I think they're really cute and cool. And I think that they'll look really cute with the centerpiece. I got these little eggs. I'm gonna put skewers on them and kind of like prop them up in the floral arrangement. I think that'll be cute. I got some Easter grass from the Dollar Tree. So with all this stuff, let me back it up so you can see. I'm gonna figure out what type of flower arrangement we're gonna do. I also got hydrangeas, which are my favorite flowers. I just think they're so pretty. Look at that. And I got these like fillers too. What are these? I don't know. Eucalyptus. So I'm gonna start by putting this in there just like that. This. Wow, this is way more than I thought it would be. So let's get some of that. I'm just gonna stuff that in there. I thought I needed 2 packs. I barely need 1. This is a lot in here. But hey, like I said, my hoarder collection is gonna get bigger because of stuff like this. Oh, I forgot the lights. I said I wanted to put the lights at the bottom. Oh, look at that! So cute! use this straw to kind of weave the little light up bunnies through this arrangement. Yes, Isaiah? Just weaving them through. Now we can take the peeps. It's crazy that these are peeps from last year. I'm gonna try one. Just kidding. Just kidding. So I'm gonna line yellow and pink around this vase. Yellow, pink. Ah, don't escape from me. Okay, it's looking cute. Look at this. Super cute. So sticky. I'm definitely gonna need to wash my hands. Okay, I'm digging it. I got these little eggs from the Dollar Tree and I got skewers. I'm just going to glue the top of the skewer like that. Weave it through the egg and kind of just attach it. Attach the top. Weave it through. So now I have 3. Look at this. You cannot tell me this is not cute. Look at it. You don't want to do too much when you got so much going on right here. Put that in there. Oops. Mix it all in there. Y'all, I really be thinking I'm a florist. I'm not. Like, that is a perfect size. So I'm gonna use this as reference for the other ones and cut them similar in size. It's just 3 bunches. Maybe I should have got more, but hey, this is what I got. So that's what I'm gonna use. The eucalyptus sticking out a little bit higher. I think that is so cute. You cannot tell me I'm not a florist. Come on now. Y'all, this is so adorable. Now I'm gonna add the eggs. Look at that. I think that is so cute. I love it. Let me know what you think. I'm gonna be filming a few more things for Easter, crafts, some DIYs, and some treats. So make sure you like and subscribe for more, and let me know what you think of this floral arrangement. I think it came out cute. What would you do differently? Bye.